Do you feel constantly tired despite ample sleep? You are not alone. Today, we will explore how to identify your energy drains. Many experience fatigue linked to boundaries, not just sleep. The aim is to help you create healthier boundaries and increase your energy. First, let's discuss the concept of a structural audit. Just as architects assess buildings, we need a personal audit. Identify areas in your life where energy leaks occur. Step 1 is to recognize the 7 types of rest. They include physical, mental, emotional, sensory, and more. Understand each type and what resonates with your experiences. Step 2 involves assessing your current boundaries. Are they clear and respected? Identify areas where you often feel overwhelmed or drained. Next, match your energy needs to the types of rest. For physical fatigue, prioritize physical rest. For sensory overload, consider sensory rest, like reducing screen time. After identifying your needs, it's time to set boundaries. Communicate your needs clearly to others. Start saying no to what drains your energy. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. Regularly reassess your boundaries. Life changes, and so do your needs. Seek to adjust your boundaries accordingly. Now let's summarize what we've learned. Chronic fatigue often stems from poor boundaries. Life audits help identify these energy drains. Focus on the 7 types of rest. Physical rest, the leak, muscle tension, body aches, and chronic fatigue. The blueprint, passive, 7 to 9 hours or more of high-quality sleep. Active, 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or massage. 2. Mental rest, the leak, that browser tab feeling in your brain, forgetting things and feeling scattered. The blueprint, keep a brain dump notepad. Every time a task pops up, kids, taxes, business, write it down immediately to clear the mental RAM. Take 5-minute silence breaks every 2 hours. 3. Sensory rest, leak, agitation from the sound of your phone, bright lights, or constant background noise, especially with a household to manage. The blueprint, high-resolution silence. Turn off all notifications. Spend 30 minutes in a dark, quiet room at the end of the day. Unplug the digital noise. 4. Very important for creative people, the creative rest. You may have never heard about it, but here is what the leak looks like. Feeling empty or unable to solve problems. The blueprint, go look at something beautiful that you didn't create. A walk in the park, an art book, or even just looking at high-end architecture or the art form that you prefer. Allow yourself to be the observer, not the builder. 5. Emotional rest, the leak. Feeling like you always have to be on, or the strong one, for your child, your business, your partner, and your friends. The blueprint, authenticity. Having the ugly cry or telling a trusted friend, "I'm actually not okay today." It's the act of stopping the performance of being fine. 6. Social rest, the leak. When your relationships feel like labor. The roommate syndrome. The blueprint, differentiate between energy vampires and energy lifters. Spend time with people who don't require you to do anything for them. Sometimes social rest means being alone. 7. Spiritual rest. Here is the leak. Feeling like your work doesn't matter, or feeding an engine that isn't connected to the wheels. The blueprint. Connection to a higher purpose. For you, it might be sovereignty. Remind yourself why you are building this business, to create a legacy of freedom for you and your child. So my question for you today, which of the 7 types of rest are you starving for? Take free energy audit at rosaalma.com to find out. You will find the link below. Remember to apply what you've learned today. Begin your structural audit to reclaim your energy. You deserve to live fully and vibrantly and design the life of your dreams.